Guys.
Just hit record.
Yeah, but I can't set it up. This is going to be very bad camera. I wasn't able to set it up.
Alright, 3 zip. I'm gonna try and... You recording, man?
Yes? Don, you're in the angle.
Am I good?
Oh yeah. I still gotta set this up.
Just tell me if I need to move.
Alright. Bro, I can't set it up while they're playing. It's gonna be a shitty ass camera.
That's what I like to see, man. Good shit.
Get a technical timeout.
You keep that shit up, we get in the ring.
I gotta set it up.
Are you not recording?
I'm setting it up. I can't set it up when you're playing.
Start of the recording. Are you recording though?
I am.
Write that down,
I can't
Drew?
set it up though.
Yeah,
I can't get it.
It's 3.
Did you start recording yet?
Yeah, I did. I can't.
So it is recording?
Yeah, but I can't set it up when they're playing.
Yes, you can.
I gotta screw it on.
Okay, do it. Just
They're gonna yell at me.
No, just do it fast. Just do it fast.
God.
Just do it fast.
I gotta set it up.
Fucking idiot. I'm started. Yes, sir. Hey, you gotta keep your heads up too, though. Don't worry, I own you.
Fucking muddy.
Emmett Harmon. LaMelo. Oh,
blocked by Drew.
Harden. Damn.
Hey.
Get clamped, God. Get clamped, God.
5-5.
Oh, I like the angle.
Why are you standing on a table? Am I in it?
I'm the cameraman. No,
I-
you're not in it. Should I commentate? No, I'm good.
Nah. Whoa! We get in a ring. We get in a ring.
He's our owner. He's our coach. Yeah.
The coach is in the balcony.
I coach him and I own the other team.
Me too. I own the clamp gods. You're like my rival.
Scroll just back.
No, I own William.
Yeah, Hyperdunks.
You own the other one?
Yeah, I own clamp gods.
Right.
Hyperdunks is.
I'm the coach for Camp Gods though, so I'm not your rival.
What?
I'm the coach.
You're the coach, and you're the owner of the team that we're going against in the finals.
Yeah. Money. I like money.
Money. What's basketball?
I didn't know we'd go against them in the finals. Even though they're the only other team.
Oh.
Sadlier.
Hey, don't worry. You guys got this though. Hyperdunks.
10-5. 10-5 Hyperdunks.
Hey, run that play we're talking about at lunch. Come on.
I had lunch.
Nice.
Can we get a TV timeout?
Wait, it's a backpack on the court.
TV timeout?
TV timeout?
No, we're good.
All right. Get that shit. Nice. Go hustle. Keep that hustle up though. Good shit. Run the play. Good shit. Nice. Shooting your shot, never missing.
10-7.
Guy has a mask on.
What a great game of basketball.
I love you.
Okay.
Whoa, I like the hustle. So we get good stuff, bro.
Hey, we were out. Look at that squirrel.
Look at that. What did you say?
That's like Deku.
Did you say reroute?
Wheel route.
Reroute. What does that mean?
I think it's football.
Hey, where's the linebacker?
Hey, he's open. Going for the ball.
Tackle him. If Ben was playing, he would tackle him.
12-7.
Don't worry, Rod, you got this shit, man. Nice, good stuff. Hey, Band-Aid, Band-Aid.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, throw it into this, damn.
Actually, weak.
What? Shit.
That's the worst passing of all time. I'm throwing it right now. I think we need a timeout.
Timeout?
Hey, we gotta keep the intensity, man. We gotta.
Right there?
I could take better shots. I could pass more. My passes are wild. I just gotta clean up my game a little, and we'll be all right.
Aren't you winning?
Yeah. 12-7. It's not that. It's not.
Go
team. Go team.
You got any opinions on the game?
Down 5. We just gotta score 5 and whatever else.
You're right.
Motherfucker's nose, okay?
Keep it up.
God damn.
Hey Sam, you got any opinions on the game?
I think we're playing pretty okay.
Long ass schnoz.
Yeah.
You said yes, sir, then you said wait.
I thought it was recording.
I'll think about it.
Those interviews might have not been. Oh, I gotta. There we go. Come on, get out of the shot. Loving the camera angle. Good. You're so hopeful, man.
Hey, shut up.
I still. Oh fuck! Sorry. What is it with you always slapping me in the face, bro?
Yeah. Hey, I don't represent that.
Right, 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
There's a stream left. Seconds.
It's over.
10,
Go down.
8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doesn't count.
Oh man, that's
Yeah. Trying to check the next program all the time. Don't get out of the shot. Oh, I hate white people.
Hey, what?
I hate white people.
You are gonna get us both fired. And then neither of us are gonna get a ring.
You're right.
19-7.
Well, you get a ring either way.
Money.
Oh my god.
You're gonna sell that.
Shut up.
100,000.
Fuck, that was a good shot.
Nice, nice. Good stuff.
Yeah.
22-9.
Sloppy, but it's okay.
Shit. Wow, bro, what?
Just get it.
Dude.
Oh my god. You good, Drew? Oh, fuck.
Nice. It was sloppy, but I like it.
Josh fucking sucks.
Yeah, I said it was sloppy.
22-11.
It's alright. It's getting there. Damn, his is already there. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up.
25-11.
Yeah, not you. Well, yeah, you too.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, you're gonna get us fired.
No, no.
You are the worst cameraman to ever camera.
No, I'm not.
The worst one to ever man the camera.
Good angle. That was a foul. That was not a foul. Yep,
Sir.
go.
What a shitty ass pass from Josh.
Hey, stop talking about my team.
My god.
That's your team, man.
That's your team.
I got your for now.
Why didn't Declan come over yet?
I don't know. He must be busy.
Doesn't Declan live in Boston now?
Yeah?
Is he coming back soon?
Yeah, he's coming back soon. For a week.
Declan's in Argentina.
He's in Cuba.
Oh shit. Do I have the ribbon frame? I can't tell. I couldn't tell you.
Take that.
Travel?
Fuck. I'm a Korean.
What? IFL Squid Game?
Yep, check it out.
Nice, good shit.
Can I just do a jump screen? Alright, 29-13.
Hard-working man. They will not.
Declan.
Start it now.
Oh, I'm really like a cameraman.
Sam, I know. Shot to I got you. I'm so good at passing. Combo. 31. I got third.
Shit, bro. Shit.
Alright, that was a bullshit fucking shot. I don't know how I made that.
Don't watch the time.
Not.
2:30.
Oh my god.
Okay.
There's no
That's
need
not
for
a
that.
steal.
There's no need for that.
Watch out.
I would complain.
They're 40 to.
You jumped on it. Just do it again. He's got one move.
Martin, please. It's just detrimental. Even though we missed, it's still good. 41-18. We got this.
Oh my fucking god.
This is the first time I've ever. Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
That was a lot.
10, 9,
Hey, 9.
7, 6, 5, 4,
the fucking ball.
3, 2, 1.
You did not take it out.
Yes, he did. That counts. That counts.
Yes, it does. Will. What the fuck? Don't ask.
Opinions on the first half of the Game 3 finals of the International Film.
We just gotta keep the intensity, man. We're doing a good job. We could take some better shots, but overall, 41-20, 41-18. I like our chances. Keep the intensity, man. Hyperdunks in 4, sadly.
Hey Josh,
Get out of here. You're looking strats.
do you have
What's the
opinions
score?
on the game?
We're down like
Can't
20,
record while they're
19,
talking. You're down
21.
19. You're down 19.
Down 19.
Drew, do you have any,
Don't play for scores. Play
do you have opinions on the
Why are
game?
you so close to
Do
me?
you have opinions?
No
on,
way.
Do you have?
Why are you so close?
Do you have opinions?
Why is this bush hairy? Why is this bush hairy?
pubic.
This bush is going through puberty.
Yeah.
Sam, do you have opinions on the game?
No.
Okay.
Ben is the worst cameraman ever. If only Ben were here to tell him how much I hate him.
Ben were here so I could tell him how much.
Get on the shot. Thank you.
My bad, I just had to throw it.
Oop.
Mouse in the house. Oh, there's dogs.
I didn't know that Josh was in the field.
Knocked it away.
I didn't touch it.
Why do you go
dribbled it off
towards
me whenever
I never dribbled it.
I never touched it.
I never dribbled it.
Why do you always dribble straight towards me whenever I give you a nice touch? What's up with that?
Hey, hey!
That's a complete.
That was attack on Will.
That's attack.
You won't accept my email.
Did you email one?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Of course. What do you mean, give me one?
You know Mr. Persnickety?
Let me get one.
Yes,
Alright.
exactly. So
Thank you.
there's only one type of flag.
How many years old is he?
Unless you like.
He's like at least 21.
Mr. Persnickety plays basketball.
If you kill someone,
What's your sticky was 1v1 in that? Amani.
And my ass is so fat.
Oh, wait, what?
He's got like a fat
I
ass.
thought you were talking about his jump shot.
Alright, you starting the clock? Hey, you ain't. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Say go.
Hey, wait!
Oh, that's a foul. Pause it. So that made shot doesn't count.
No. Just make this one. Bend.
Damn, you suck.
Dumbass. Wait, that's my
What's
player.
up?
Gosh, bro. You've been playing bad ever since you've been twerking, man.
Josh isn't sweaty.
Dude, ever since Josh has been twerking, he's been playing bad.
Yeah, weird. I wonder why.
He should be banned.
He should. There's no proof.
There is. I have a video of him doing it at lunch.
Yeah.
43-24.
I hate to say it, but Josh is a twerker. Certified twerk star.
I've been all three. You said it sounds pretty funny. What in the hell is that? If I pass it to you, he's gonna steal it. I pass it to you all the time. Watch. Watch me spot that shit. I'll leave by 22 seconds. So bad. I know. Oh, truck. Sadly, neither of these fellas are shooters.
Am I not on your private for snap?
You have like 5 snaps. I don't know which one it is. Just snap me.
Yeah, that's what
Jump shot? Oh yeah, okay. Thanks for reminding me. Real fade one.
Holy shit, nice shot.
43-26.
On nights on yo bitch on dick and she blowing. He try to run, got me so used to him.
Oh, I gotta pee.
Down the street.
Do you think Drew would let me use the bathroom?
Yeah, actually, that's a good question to ask Drew. After. Yeah, Drew, let's use the bathroom. You want me to cameraman? I can cameraman while you pee.
I don't know if you're letting me.
Just go pee real quick.
I don't want his like parents to think that.
What, we're not free. Just go do it. I'll cameraman. Just be fast. Don't pee in the bushes.
I peed there before.
Just go pee in the bathroom, dude. No, just go pee in the
I don't know
bathroom.
where his bedroom is.
Dude.
I'll wait until it works.
Okay, yo. I am 10 times better at cameramanning than Ben.
What?
I'll be so dope on it. 48-28. Like I have to walk everywhere like this.
No, let me camera.
Go pee.
You're better.
Mud. Done.
4 minutes, 30 seconds. Get out.
No, I'm cameramanning for a little bit.
By far the worst what I've seen.
I got paid.
Don't zoom in.
I don't even know how to zoom in.
Wow. That felt so good. I know that you missed the
Or do you eat ice?
But you see what I did there? This.
Sometimes.
Let's just do that.
Pause it, foul.
Crack my balls on the press space. You literally did. It hurts.
Good job. That might be a better job for you.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
What? Press space. I'm gonna toss it when you press space. Foul? What? No foul.
Josh fucking sucks. Why aren't you cameraman?
I am.
You probably made me break.
Ow! Because every time he goes like this. Wanting him. 48. Am I right, Will? I don't know what you said. Every time I pass the ball to the touchdown,
Ooh, Josh! Josh!
Josh is making me cream right now.
Josh is making me scream without the S, dog. Oh, he's a girl now. I can't say that.
We gotta get the IFL back together.
Dude, the IFL is maybe my... Actually, never mind. I'm not going to say that.
This is on live television.
I don't think it's ever been on television.
You have to say it is.
The more you say it, the more you believe it.
Yep.
anything. No. Hey. Damn. Hey. Okay. Is it really now? Is it a turnover? I just gave you guys the ball.
Just make sure all the things are
Sir? Hey, can I get a timeout so I can rub my shoes off? Sir?
I wonder if the camera can hear me cracking my back. You rang?
You call him?
You call?
Yellow?
No.
What? What?
Three.
Bro, the Hyperdunks are creaming all over.
Wow. No. We good. No. That's true. I don't think so. I got one.
Are you cameramanning? Again?
Big time.
Oh, who was close?
Fuck, I almost hit the speaker. Come on.
Kind of be attacked.
We good?
Nope. Oh, shit.
What's the time looking like?
Oh, wait, what?
Time.
Yeah, well.
fucking go. I told you guys. Come on.
Dylan, I don't know if you know what's happening, but we're playing 1 quarter and then we're done.
I know. I paid good money for these seats.
Jesus.
Yeah, I feel.
The pull-up?
Oh, shit. You guys still winning?
Yeah, 7. We're winning by 7.
All right. Fuck out the screen.
Foul? How's that not a foul? No, that's a foul. No, that is not a foul. Hey, that is a foul.
Review.
William's the premier playmaker.
Shut up, Everton.
Dude, what did Jenks fix the screen? I mean, I think that he can't guard him because he's always moving. At a certain point, you have to put your foot on the ground and like stop him because he's always moving.
Let's go, Sam. Get your man.
That is.
That is such a bad shot.
You are like 6 inches taller than Sam, like 50 pounds heavier.
Sam. No, I got it. Oh! Yes, sir! Hey, Sam. Oh!
Sadlier ball.
Ooh.
That is such a bad shot.
That's 3. Shit.
Dylan, when it's under 2 minutes, can you stop it in between plays?
Yeah.
25 to 9.
Do I just press the space bar?
Yeah. That's a good shot.
That was a shot.
That was a good shot. Ball hug set.
Sam, get open.
This is the worst. Ace, do my rebound. Jump. Pause it.
Someone's phone's being found.
Alright,
If it's bad, we can redo it.
Yeah, if it's a bad one, we redo it.
Yes, sir!
Hey, I jumped way too
Yes, sir.
5-11.
Come back now.
Hyperdunks round 3-0. The Hyperdunks round 3-0 and then they won the series in 6 games. Look at the climb gods.
What the fuck?
Did I start talking on True. Sadly, I'm the best player in the league.
Nah, it's me.
28.
Only the 1v1 MVP can be the best player. Give me
Obviously,
basketball league.
I'm trying to injure him again.
Last bone, Sam. Shoot that.
Trust me. Just shoot that.
trust you.
Yeah, I trust you.
Thanks, Josh.
You know what?
Thanks, Josh. Sorry.
And the same's over.
This product is a great product.
31
Right,
to
Dylan?
11.
Yeah.
What is going on? Josh stepped in front of my passing lane.
Then just do it.
I had a plan the whole time for this, and as soon as I went to go do that, Josh stepped right in front of me.
All right. Thank you.
31-16.
Getting awfully close.
Oh, fuck!
There's a wood chip in my shoe. I can't move from here, so you have to do something.
No. Let's go, Sam.
Shut up, Sam.
Oh my God.
No, that was a good move. I just missed the layup. Get him! That's a travel. That is a fucking
I don't
travel.
think so.
That is a travel.
Okay, James Harden does that.
And it's a travel.
No, no, it's not.
It was 31-16. Shit.
That's interference.
All right. I was warming up. So.
What makes you think you're going to guard this?
Give me the ball in the clutch. Enough said.
I have no clue what this is.
Hopefully it's recorded.
It's 31-18.
It'd be a shame.
Fuck!
You're good. Okay.
Do not!
Wow.
Oh, what the fuck? He's Carmelo Anthony.
It's a weird comparison.
He just makes contested mid-range all day.
He's gonna shoot it.
Present Carmelo?
15 seconds.
50 seconds.
Oh, let's start. You are selling this game. We're up.
Real good stat.
We're up 11, I'm pretty sure. I think it's 31-20.
33-20. It's 33-20.
And there's 37 seconds left, and the clock stops in between plays. This game's far from over.
What time? Oh my God. Oh, that was good.
1-1.
Yeah, what the fuck, Jay? Where's that?
If you didn't go guard your man.
15 seconds.
We finally got a close game. I asked for one of these. We finally got it. Rail? Fuck.
Oh. 10 seconds. Oh.
Does that count? Yes, it does.
And live after this?
Doesn't count.
That's definitely not people. Josh, you should want it to not count.
Well, I just want you to look stupid.
Well, I make it so it counts.
Nathan. Well,
Oh, yeah. What's clutch? I got it in free throw. That's a foul.
You're stacking up in free throws.
slightly.
My series average is at 100%.
This is 2 shots.
Oh yeah, great. We're good. We're up by 10 right now.
Your switch.
Whoa. That's it.
Hey, let's go, Sam. Last second dunk, Josh.
I didn't foul you. He did not foul you. He did not foul you. There was no foul on that at all. So that's ball game. All right, it's over. It's over. For the win.